This is installation video for EMS muscle stimulator machine. Here, this one is the main machine, and here is the part. One bed of the bandage, and one holding part, one cable, one pair of the breast EMS pad, and one pad for face, and 10 pads for body. And here's the 10 pairs of the connector. First step, we need to take off the screws on the back side of the machine. And then connect this holding part. We have installed well for the holding part. And now we connect the wires with the main machine and the pads. Okay, we have connected all the body pads, and here is the EMS pads for breast. If you need to use the breast pad, you need to take off the wires and connect the pads. Two black wires in one side and two red wires in other side. That's the whole installation video for the machine.